natural things. That only we are going to see. Here we have totally see 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Okay, that only we are going to see. Okay, children, see what it is. I am going to spell it out, children. Okay, spell it with me. See, HUMAN, human. BEINGS, beings. USE, use. TREES, trees. TO2, MAKE, make. NEW, new. THINGS, things. Okay, human beings use trees. Okay, human beings. So human beings, you all know human beings, isn't it? Human beings, what they are using? They use trees for what? To make new things. What new things, children? Wood. Okay, human beings use trees to make new things. Wood from what? From trees. From what, children? From trees. See, what is the spelling for wood? WOOD, wood. From FROM, from trees. TREES, trees. Tree here. Tree is a natural thing. Wood is a man-made thing. So who is making this? Human beings. For what? For their purpose. So human beings are using trees People, what they are using by clay? Mold. Okay, they mold clay. M-O-U-L-D. Mold. C-L-A-Y. Clay into plates. Okay. P-L-A-T-E-S. Plates. P-O-T-S. Pots. Okay. See, the people, what they are using the clay? They mold the clay for using what they are making. They are making plates and also pots. For what? Pots for plants. We are planting the plants in a pot, isn't it? For that they are using this clay and also for what purpose, children? And also for floor tiles. See, F-L-O-O or floor tiles. T-I-L-E-S tiles. Floor tiles. These are again what, children? These are again man-made. Okay, see children, here clay is a natural resource and here what about the man-made? From clay what we are using, what we are making? Plates, pots for plants and floor tiles. Okay children, this is the third point. Okay, shall we move to the last point, children? See what is it here? What it is? F-R-U-I-G-S. Fruits, A-N-G and V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. Okay, fruits and vegetables are natural. Okay, fruits and vegetables are natural. By using fruits and vegetables, what we are making? See, people use them. People what use? People use fruits and vegetables for what? To M-A-K-E, make. S-H-A-M-P-O-O-S. Shampoos, A-N-G and lotions. Okay, L-O-T-I-O-N-S. Lotions. Okay, see, by using the fruits and vegetables, people use shampoos and lotion. Here, shampoos and lotion are both are man-made. Okay, here both are man-made. Okay, children. And what we have discussed today, see children, what they said about the last. There are many more such natural things that man uses to make useful products. Okay, children. See, shall we spell it out, children? See, T-H-E-R-E, them, A-R-E-R, M-A-N-Y, many, more, M-O-R-E, more, such, S-U-C-H, such, natural, N-A-T-U-R-A-M, natural, things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, T-H-A-T, that, M-A-N, man, uses, U-S-E-S, uses, to make, M-A-K-E, make, useful products. Okay, we have many natural things also for what? To make man-made things. Okay, children, what we have discussed here? Human beings make wood from trees and also paper from trees. This is the first one. And what is the second one? Human beings use sand. It is a natural resource. By using sand, they are making glass bottles and jars. Okay, this is the second one. And third one, clay is a natural resource. By using clay, what people are using? Plates. People are making plates, pots for plants and floor tiles. This is the third one. Last one is fruits and vegetables. This is the natural resource. By using this natural resource, plants or people are making shampoos and lotions. Shampoos and lotions are man-made things. Okay, children. So here we have discussed about from natural thing to man-made thing. Okay, children. Shall we move to the next topic now? Okay, children. Now we are going to see living thing and non-living thing. Okay, children. Shall we start to see it? See, we are going to see living things and non-living things. Okay. Shall we start to read it, children? See, T-H-E, the, N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural, A-N-D, and, M-A-N, man, M-A-G-E, made, T-H-I-N-G-S, things, A-R-E-R, F-U-R-T-H-E-R, further. Okay, the natural and man-made things are further, G-R-O-U-P-E-D, grouped. Okay, as living thing and non-living thing. Okay, children, already we have discussed about natural thing and man-made thing, isn't it? What is known as natural things? The things that comes directly from the nature is known as natural things, and whatever the things that made by man are known as man-made things, isn't it, children? Already we have discussed lot of things about living things. See here, living things. Okay. WEBKNOW, no. THAT, that. HUMAN, human. BEINGS, beings. Okay. We know that human beings, and then what? ANIMALS, animals. PLANTS, plants. HAPE, LIFE, life. See what is it here? We know that human beings, animals and plants have life. Isn't it, children? We already know that. We already talked about the living things, isn't it? We already talked about that human beings, animals and plants have life. So they are all living things. That's what they said here. So they are known as living things. Okay. Who are known as living things? Human beings, animals and plants have life. So they are known as living things. Okay. Then we are going to some of the features of living things and non-living things. We are going to see that what are the features we have that make living things. Not only they said here, children, see. Let us look at some features, okay, of living things. Okay, children, see. We know that human beings, animals and plants have life. So they are known as living things. Now we are going to discuss some of the features of living things. Okay, children, shall we see that? See, living things. Okay, LIVING, living. THINGS, things. Breathe. See, breathe. BREATHE, breathe. Okay, every living things can able to breathe. Okay, if we are human beings, how we are breathing, children? We are breathing through our nose, isn't it? So human beings breathe through their nose. If we consider about the plants, means they have the stomata. Okay, they breathe through stomata. If we consider the insects like cockroaches and butterflies, means they breathe through their holes. So every species living in our world, living things have breathe. Okay, they can breathe. So living things breathe. Okay, children. And then what is the second feature? See, living things. NEED, need. FOOD, food. AND, and. WATE, or water. TO2, LIVE, live. Okay, living things need food and water to live. Isn't it, children? Yes. As we are human beings, we need food and water to live, isn't it? Daily we are eating food and daily we are drinking water, isn't it? For what? To survive in this world. So for surviving, we need food and water. So every living thing, such as I already said about living things, is considered to be the human beings, animals and plants. Okay, children. So as we are human beings, we need food and water to live. If we consider the animals also need food and water. They will search the food. Okay, they will search. If it is a wild animal, means they will search the food in the forest. Okay, if it is a domestic animal, means we will give food for them, isn't it? So every animals also need food. If it is a plant, means they don't need to go outside of food. Okay, we will pour some water to the plants, isn't it? So if by water and by because of sunlight they are getting food, isn't it? So plants store their own food, isn't it, children? So plant is also a living thing. It is also need food and water to live, isn't it, children? So it is also one of the feature. Okay, so living thing need food and water to live. And then what is the next feature? See, living things. GROW, grow, isn't it, children? Yes, living things grow. As you are small age, you will grow do, N-O-T, not breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. This isn't it, children? Yes. They do not breathe. And move, they do not move. Yes, M-O-V-E, move. G-R-O-W, grow, they do not grow. Or they do not reproduce. Okay, R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-E, reproduce. Isn't it, children? Yes, non-living things do not have life because they do not breathe, they do not move, they do not grow, and they do not reproduce. Because and also they do not need, and need, F-O-O-D, food or water to live. Isn't it, children? Yes, because they do not have anything. For example, if you have consider a chair or bench, anything, it is a non-living thing. Isn't it, children? Yes. Is it breathe, children? No. Isn't it? It does not breathe. Is it move? No. Is it grow, children? No. Is it make food and water? No. Is it reproduce, children? No. Isn't it? So, if we consider to be the non-living things, it does not have any features. Okay? It does not move. It does not breathe. Does not grow, or it cannot reproduce, and does not need food and water to live. Okay, children? This is all about living thing and non-living thing. Are you all clear about what I said you about the living thing and non-living thing, children? Okay, today's in this class of environment, what we saw about what is environment. That means all the things that surround us is known as our environment. Isn't it? That only we saw, and we saw about the natural things and man-made things, and we saw about from natural what all the things are we are getting from man-made. We have discussed here, isn't it, children? Okay, from trees we are getting wood, and from trees we are getting paper, and from sand we are getting jars, and from clay we are getting pots. Isn't it? That all we have discussed, isn't it, children? Okay, and then we have discussed about the living things and non-living things features. Okay, this is the last one, children. Here they have written what they have written. They have written the difference between living thing and non-living thing. Okay, children. Just what we have discussed here, that only have written here difference between like living thing and non-living thing. What is the first point, children? See, it is very easy, children. I have written. If you read this, you can easily understand about the features of living thing and non-living thing. Okay, children. See, living things breathe. Okay, non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food and water. Non-living things do not need food and water. Okay, children. Living things grow. Non-living things do not grow. Living things, most of the living things move on their own. Here, why they said about most of the living things means plants cannot move on their own, isn't it? But they are considered to be the living things. Okay. For example, if you talk about the sunlight flower, means it is sunflower, it moves according to the sun's rays. Okay. If it is in east, its position is turns towards the east. Okay. The sun is in the east side, means the sunflower turns towards the eastern side. Okay. But it is not considered to be the plants move on their own, but it is a living thing. That only they said here specifically that most of the living things move on their own. Here, non-living things cannot move on their own. Isn't it, children? Yes, if you consider a bench, chair, TV, sofa, anything, it may be whatever it is in your home. Okay, is the whatever furniture, is it move, children? No, it cannot move, isn't it? So that only they said here, non-living things cannot move on their own. The last one is living things reproduce. All living things give birth to young ones. Okay, and also lay eggs. If it is a bird, it will lay eggs. Okay, from egg we are getting another hen, isn't it? So that only they said here, living things reproduce. Non-living things cannot reproduce. Okay, children. Here we have 5 points. Breathe. Do not breathe. Need food and water. Do not need food and water. Grow. Do not grow. Living things move on their own. Non-living things cannot move on their own. Reproduce. Cannot reproduce. Okay, children. Today we have finished our lesson number 1, our environment. Already you have written D words in your classwork, and also you have completed the book exercise Choose, Fit and Match, isn't it? In this video question answers in your class account. Okay, I will attach question answers writing video in, next to this video, children. Okay, and then what you have to do is you have to complete worksheets 1, 2 and 3 in your book. Okay, children, worksheet 1 is based on the activity. It is what mean we have to paste the pictures of natural things in worksheet 1. Okay, and worksheet 2 and 3 is very easy, children. You have to complete this in your book. Okay, children, next to this video you will get an activity. Okay, children.
Hello children, we are going to see an activity about our environment. Okay children, last class what we have learnt in this lesson? We have learnt about natural things and man-made things, isn't it? In this picture what you can see, children, we can see trees, rivers, mountains, clouds, isn't it? These are all what? Yes, very good. These are all natural things. So things that come directly from the nature are known as natural things, isn't it, children? Not only river, plant, trees, human beings, animals are also considered to be natural things. Okay children, then what we saw? We saw about man-made things, isn't it? See children, here we have man-made things. Okay, things that are made by man are known as man-made things. Here we have car, table, bat, paper and board. These are all what? Yes, very good. These are all man-made things. This we have learnt already in the last class itself, isn't it children? Okay, today we are going to see about living things and non-living things. Okay children, shall we start to see it? See children, already we have learned that the natural and man-made things are further grouped as living thing and non-living thing. Okay children, we know that human beings, animals and plants have life, isn't it? So they are known as living things. Okay, human beings, animals and plants have life. So they are known as living things. We have some features for living things that only we are going to discuss here. Okay children, see in this picture what you can see? Yeah, woman, isn't it? What she is doing? She is breathing, isn't it? So human being can breathe through their nose and plants also breathe through their stomach, and some of the animals also breathe through their nose. Some of the insects are breathe through their air holes. So all living things can breathe. This is one of the feature for living thing. See children, in this what you can see? In this a boy is eating, isn't it? So human beings need food and water for what? To survive, isn't it? To live. So human beings need food and water to live. Not only human beings, for animals and plants also need food and water to live. So this is also one of the feature for living things. See children, in this picture what you can see? Human beings are growing, isn't it? From small age to elder. So from this we can say that living things grow. Not only human beings, plants can grow, animals can grow, birds can grow, fish can grow. So all living things can grow. This is also one of the feature for living things. Here we are going to talk about living things move on their own, isn't it children? See from this picture we can see birds can fly, isn't it? They are moving on their own. Okay, human beings walk, some animals run, fish swim, isn't it? So every living things move on their own. This is one of the feature. And then see here children, we have hen here, isn't it? It is laying eggs. So living things can reproduce. Okay, every living things can reproduce. That means to produce young ones of their kind. Human beings give birth to young ones, and cow, cat, sheep and all that give birth to their young ones. Hen will lay egg. Okay, from this we can say that living things reproduce, and it is also one of the feature for living things. Okay children, so far what we have discussed about the features of living things. Living things breathe, living things need food and water to live, living things move on their own, living things reproduce. Okay children, that we have learned. Now we are going to see about non-living thing. Okay, children? See, non-living things do not have life. Okay, they do not breathe, they do not move, they do not grow, or they do not reproduce, and they do not need food or water to live. See, here we have a picture of table. Isn't it? Is it move, children? No, isn't it? Is it breathe? No, isn't it? Is it move? No, isn't it? Is it grow? No. Is it need food and water? No. So everything, our answer is no. So we are saying a table is a non-living thing. That means it did not have life. We are going to see some more examples for non-living thing. Shall we see it? See, children, what it is. Here we have a book. Okay, it is also a non-living thing. Okay, children, because it does not breathe, it does not move, grow, it does not reproduce, and does not need food and water to live. So books are non-living. Here we have stone. Stone is also non-living thing. Okay, children. So far we have discussed about living things and non-living things, about its features. Okay, we have a difference between living thing and non-living thing also, that we have discussed already in the board itself. Isn't it, children? Shall we recall it? Living things breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food and water. Non-living things do not need food and water. Living things grow. Non-living things do not grow. Most of the living things move on their own. Non-living things cannot move on their own. And living things reproduce. Non-living things cannot reproduce. Okay, children? This is about our environment. We have discussed a lot of things, isn't it? Have you all enjoyed this activity, children? Okay, very good, children. Okay, children, now we are going to write classwork. Okay, children, already you have written D words. Lesson number 1, our environment, isn't it? The next page, take a new page. Okay, you have to start with second Roman letter question answer. Okay, Q bar A question answer. We have to write first one, number 1. Okay, name, N A M E, name. Any, A N Y, any. 2, T W O, 2. Natural, N A T U R A L, natural things. T H I N G S, things. Natural things. That, T H A T, that. U Y O U, U. C S E E, see, every day. E V E R Y, every day. D A Y, day. In, I N, in. Your, Y O U R, your. Environment, E N V I R O N M E N T, environment. Okay, children, see, name any 2 natural things that you see every day in your environment. Okay, children, what you have to write the answer? We have to write 2 natural things, okay, that you see every day in your environment. You can write any 2 natural things. Okay, children, here I am writing water, W A T E R, water, and A N D, and soil, S O I L, soil. Okay, this is the first one. Next we have to start with the second question. Okay children, so you have to put 2. Okay, then we have to start. Give, G-I-V-E, give. Examples, E-X-A-M-P-L-E-S. Examples of, O-F, of. 2, T-W-O-2, man-made, M-A-N-M-A-D-E, man-made things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. That, T-H-A-T, that. U-Y-O-U-C, S-E-E-C, in, I-N, in, your, Y-O-U-R, your, classroom, C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M, classroom. Okay children, see, give examples of 2 man-made things that you see in your classroom. Okay, you have to write any 2 things that you see in your classroom. Okay children, here I am writing answer. Any 2 things in your classroom is bench and board. Okay, bench, B-E-N-C-H, bench, and A-N-D, and board, B-O-A-R-D, board. Okay children, this is your class work. You have to write 2 question answers, and also you have one more homeworks also children. You have to complete worksheets 1, 2 and 3. Okay, in that first worksheet what you have to do means you have to paste any 5 natural things that we are going to see now. Okay children. Okay children, this is your activity. This you have to do in your book. Okay, worksheet 1. What means? Paste picture of any 5 natural things. Already we have discussed lot of things about natural things, isn't it? What we have discussed, human beings, plants, animals, air, water, stone, these are all natural things, isn't it? So we are going to paste here any 5 natural things. Okay children, see what it is? It is a tree, isn't it? So you have to paste tree picture here in this place. Okay, and then what is the second picture? What it is? It is a dolphin fish, isn't it? So it is also a natural thing. You can paste next to this. And what it is? This is a stone, isn't it? This is also a natural things. You can paste here. And what it is? It is a frog, isn't it? So you can paste this frog here. And what it is? It is a bird. You can paste here like this. Okay, these are all natural things, isn't it children? So you have to paste like this in your book. Okay children, and also you have to complete worksheet 2 and 3. We will meet in the next class children. Thank you.